But now, for the moment of truth,
where we race these down the slide. 3, 2, 1. Welcome to Toy Explorers, and today's toy that we are exploring is
the Smartmax Super Ball Slide.
Now, we've never played with this toy before.
Hey, but I'm excited, so let's get into it. So at first glance, these pieces are a lot bigger than I anticipated.
So if you're just gonna do your basic build, it looks like you build with these, but if you're gonna do a slide, you add these pieces to it.
And of course, we want the slide.
So to start out, we're gonna see how easy it is to build a slide without the manual. So we know these connect.
Oh, and the tubes go inside. Why it has to be supported.
Time.
Moment of truth.
Hey! That's pretty
That is
cool.
Yeah. Now I'm curious if we look at the instructions to see if we can build something with a little bit more support, because honestly this
wasn't very good. We did it!
Now it's definitely more sturdy than the one from earlier.
The manual doesn't actually show you how to build it, it's just designs.
But now, for the moment of truth,
where we race these down the slide. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh. Let's try it again. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh! Honest review.
We wish it would come with a few more pieces.
Though overall, we had a lot of fun building this and trying it out.
Now, if you want to buy this product, we'll put links in the description below.
Make sure to subscribe to this channel so you can see us review more fun toys like this one. Now, drop test. Camera's back on because Richard couldn't stop playing with it.
My own invention. That's good enough.